I am Neeraj sir. I am going to teach you general knowledge for 8th standard. So this is book which we have to use during whole year. General knowledge, know for sure, Siddharth Basu. So this book is very interesting and having lot of information. We will discuss about the slide in the few minutes. So this general knowledge we are not going to according to this book word to word. If you read word to word, it is all you can also do at your own. So we will discuss everything in detail and we will discuss the extra information which is not given in the book related to that topic. But topic will be same, only we will go in detail. So only the content of book you can read at your own. So let us see about the more. So students, let's begin our journey with general knowledge, know for sure. Let us move towards our syllabus. You can see the syllabus on slide, page number 7 to 28. And other things you all know about English and mathematics. Now first topic is out of this world. So this lesson contains lot of various interesting facts about planets and some animals, means you can say like longest river, longest mountain range, etc. So let us see one by one in detail. First is Venus. So we will see some interesting facts about Venus. A day on Venus is longer than a year. One more interesting fact is that Venus is hotter than Mercury despite being the further away from the sun. As you know that Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun in our solar system and Venus is the second nearest. But still Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Why? The reason is that the concentration of carbon dioxide in Venus is very high. That's why it will show greenhouse effect. And what is greenhouse effect? The trapping of the sun's radiation is nothing but the greenhouse effect. So carbon dioxide gas is trapping lot of heat in the Venus atmosphere. That's why Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. And Venus spins clockwise. All other planets spins anti-clockwise, but Venus is only planet which is spinning clockwise. And one more thing is that the atmospheric pressure on the Venus is 90 times more than the Earth. Means obviously we are not able to survive in that condition because our body cannot survive in lot of atmospheric pressure. And Venus is named after the Roman goddess, and Venus is also the first planet to have its motion plotted across the sky as early as the 2nd millennium BC. And various other interesting facts are given in this slide. You can see, you can take a screenshot for your information. Now we will move towards the Earth. So students, let us move towards the next planet, that is Earth. So our mother Earth is having a very strong magnetic field because of molten iron in its core. You know the layers of Earth, that is crust, mantle core and inner core. And most of the color of the Earth is blue. Earth is looking blue because 70% of the Earth atmosphere is covered with water. And in the total water, 97% of water is salty. That's why it is not suitable for drinking. Only 3% of water on the Earth is suitable for drinking. That water is known as potable water. One more interesting thing is that Earth is the only planet which is not named after God. Earth is named after a word Irda, E-R-D-A, Irda, meaning soil. And the age of Earth is 4 billion years. The density of Earth is 5.52 gram per cc. Cc means what? Cubic centimeter. So these are the various other amazing facts about the Earth. Students, let's move towards the satellites. What is satellite? Satellite is a small object that moves around the longer object or larger object. So satellites are heavenly bodies which revolve around the planet or any other big mass. So small object like moon is a small as compared to Earth, and that's why moon is revolving around the Earth in fixed orbit. In the same way, Earth is also acting as satellite of sun. Earth is revolving around the sun in fixed orbits, so that's why Earth is also acting as satellite. So these natural satellites examples are Earth, moon, etc. And what are artificial satellites? So artificial satellites are those satellites which are made by scientists or human beings which are used for collecting various information about the life on the different planets, or weather forecasting, or mass communication, etc. So these satellites are giving a lot of information about the universe, space, etc., the temperature of different planets, etc. So these satellites play a very important role in our life. So let us see the first satellite launched in space. The first satellite launched in space was Sputnik. So let us see some facts. The former Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first man-made satellite, on October 4, 1957. So this satellite was the size of a basketball and weighed approximately 180 pounds. And after this Sputnik 1, Sputnik 2 was launched on November 3, 1957, which carrying the first living thing into space. It is very interesting. The first living thing into space, and that living thing is a dog. A dog named Laika. This satellite was 6 times as heavy as the first, coming in at over 1100 pounds. Unfortunately, there was no plan in place to get the dog safely back to Earth, and it died in space. So this was all about Sputnik. So student, let us start some interesting facts about Mount Everest. So you might have heard many times that Mount Everest is the tallest mountain range, and actually it is not. Mount Everest is tallest above sea level. But if you consider the height from base to peak, then the highest mountain is Hawaii's Mauna Kea. So base to peak means what? If you see, consider this diagram. If this is Mount Everest, it is at sea level, and if this is the another mountain which is below sea level, which base is means base of that mountain is below sea level. So if the base is below sea level, but total height of this one is more, but it is lesser than the Mount Everest because its base is at bottom. So in this way, base to peak height is more of Hawaii Mauna Kea. So that's why, although the Mount Everest is the highest mountain above sea level, but Hawaii Mauna Kea is the tallest mountain base to peak. Now, one more interesting thing is that Mount Everest rises 47 per century, and Mount Everest climate is very harsh. It's capped with snow and ice all year around. So that's why the death rate is very high. The dead zone is above 8,000 meters. And the first pair to climb the top of Mount Everest is Edmund Hillary. And it takes at least $30,000 to climb Mount Everest, because you have to survive in such harsh conditions. So you require lot of things. You will need to spend money for transportation, guides, training, and professional gear, etc. And there are more than 7,000 peaks on Everest. So these were some of the interesting facts about Mount Everest. So students, let us see some information about the oceans. You know there are 5 oceans on our Earth, and the name of these oceans is given on slide, that is Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic. So Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, and the Arctic Ocean is smallest ocean, and the area is also given in this slide, you can see. Now we will see some information about the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on Earth. It spans 60 million square miles from California to China, and in certain regions extends tens of thousands of feet below the surface of water. To get a sense of just how immense the Pacific Ocean is, you could put all of the Earth land masses together and the Pacific would still be larger. The name of Pacific is a version of pacify or peaceful. It was named by the explorer Ferdinand Magellan in 1520 as he sailed through a calm patch of water on the ocean. So this is some extra information about Pacific Ocean. Now we will move towards the next topic. So students, this Olympus Mons is the largest volcanic eruption in solar system, and Olympus Mons is a very large shield volcanic eruption on the planet Mars, and this volcano has a height of nearly 22 km as measured by the Mars Orbiter Laser Altimeter, and Olympus Mons is about 2.5 times Mount Everest height above sea level. And discoverer of this Olympic Mons is a Mariner 9, which is a spacecraft. So students, let us see some information about the river Nile. The river Nile is the longest river in the world, and the Nile is a north flowing river in Africa, is among the world's longest waterways, famed for its ancient history and the archaeological sites along its shores. And this river is mostly related with the Egypt. And some interesting facts you can see in this slide. The Nile River has the length of 6,695 kilometers, that is equal to 4,160 miles, and average discharge of this river is 3.1 million liters. And the name of the river Nile comes from the Greek Nilios, which means a valley or river valley. The main countries which contain this river is Egypt and Sudan, and the cities are Cairo, Jinja, Juba, and Khartoum. This is now next is Cocodemar. This is the largest or biggest seed in the world. Cocodemar, it is also known as double coconut. This seed has the length of nearly 30 centimeter, and this seed is found in the islands of Indian Ocean. Students, let us see some information about the blue whales. So blue whales is the largest animal ever to have lived on earth. Despite being so massive, this giant of the ocean feeds on some of the smallest marine life like tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. Incredibly, blue whales are graceful swimmers, cruise the ocean over 8 km per hour, and can reach the speeds of over 30 km per hour. You can see the size of this blue whale in this image. You can compare the size of different animals with blue whale. You can see the elephant is so small as compared to blue whale. Next is the ostrich. So in ostrich, three main topics are there: the tallest and the heaviest bird, and the largest cell. The largest cell is nothing but the ostrich egg cell. And the weight of the ostrich is in females, ostrich can weigh up to more than 200 pounds, while males can weigh up to roughly 280 pounds. Their height is nearly 6 feet in females, and they are 9 feet generally in males. Now wandering albatross. You can see this attractive bird, wandering albatross. This wandering albatross is the bird with the longest wingspan. You can see the large wingspan, which is looking very attractive. So this length of this bird is up to 135 centimeter, and weight of this is 6 to 12 kg, and it is found in all oceans except in North Atlantic. Diet of this bird is small fish. And appearance, how this bird look like? This bird look like white and with grey black wings, hooked bill. You can see the bill is little bit hooked. Now these are the interesting facts about the wandering albatross. Students, let us see some information about the bamboo. You can see some interesting facts are given. So bamboo is the tallest grass. Actually it is looking like a tree, but it is not tree, it is grass. You can see carefully the stem of bamboo is having some compartments like grass, and this bamboo is having various medicinal use. And in the history, some peoples are also eating the bamboo by processing it. So bamboo is also even stronger than a steel rod. It is used for making houses in some areas, houses, tents, and various other things. Now we have discussed our chapter, first chapter, that is out of this world. Now these are the various other things which are given in the book. You have to collect the extra information in the same way which I have shown you in this slide. These are various simple things, but you collect some 4 or 5 points extra which are related to this topic and write in your GK notebook. I hope you have understood the lesson and enjoyed the lesson. So stay tuned for the next video, students. Thank you for watching the video.